In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple, organized layout in Canva using a few easy steps. Whether you're a beginner or someone who has dabbled with Canva before, this guide will help streamline your design process and give you a clean, professional-looking document in no time. Before anything else, let's start by heading over to your Canva account. Take a moment to open up your Canva document, the one you're planning to work on today. Once you're there, you'll see a blank page staring back at you. This is your canvas, and today it's going to transform into something fantastic. Now let's bring your design elements to life. For this particular example, we're going to keep things straightforward by using a simple box element. However, feel free to choose any shape or graphic that suits your project. Go ahead and plop your element right onto that blank page. Remember, this is just the beginning of your design journey. The next step is crucial for maintaining that polished and organized look. Once you have all your desired shapes placed on the page, it's time to select them. Click and drag your cursor around the elements to select all of them. With everything highlighted, look towards the top of your screen to find the Position button. It's your go-to tool for aligning and ordering your elements precisely the way you want them. When you click Position, a drop-down will appear. One of the options you'll notice there is labeled Tidy Up. This feature is a designer's best friend, as it automatically aligns the selected objects evenly and neatly, saving you the hassle of manually adjusting each one. Once you select Tidy Up, watch as your elements snap into place, creating a visually pleasing and balanced layout. And just like that, you're done. Now take a step back and admire your work. With just a few clicks, you've arranged your elements into a cohesive design that stands out for all the right reasons. Creating a tidy and effective layout doesn't have to be complicated, and you've proven that today. Should you wish to tweak your design further, feel free to experiment with different element sizes, colors, or additional features Canva has to offer. The key is to play around and find what works best for you. Thank you for tuning in to this guide. Hopefully, you're leaving with a boosted confidence in your Canva skills and a stunning design ready to share with the world. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.